So you've got your nice new straps for your boat, your tie down straps for whether it's your transom on the back or your bow strap or chain. I like to use a strap so that I can size it correctly. And you end up with a bunch of slack and a bunch of extra strap, and lots of people just kind of wind it up and tie it up here somewhere or tie it to the trailer. That's a terrible way to do it. Let me show you a cool trick. What you need is a good pair of sharp scissors and a little torch. You can use a propane torch, butane torch. There's a small butane torch, map torch, whatever you have handy. If you don't have a torch, you can use a lighter. And what you want to do is get your strap nice and tight where it would normally be. Get it firm. And then take the end of your strap, come out about 12 inches. You don't want to get it too short. Come out about 12 inches or so. And we're going to cut it right about there. So let's see. I'm going to measure from my hand to my elbow and see how long that is. I don't have a measuring tape with me right now, but my hand, my fingertips to my elbow is a little over a foot. Measure that and cut it. And then we're going to seal the end off with our torch, or you can use a lighter, and that should be it. All right, so I've got it cut. Got a little bit of, probably around 14 inches or so of slack. And make sure it doesn't touch the ground, so it's not dangling and hitting the ground when you're running, when you're driving. Here's the extra. We'll put that aside. Now we're gonna get our torch. Let's set it on low, unlock it, make sure we got gas. I don't know if you can see it on the video. We do have gas. And switch hands here. And now what we're going to do is burn the end of this so that it doesn't fray. And if you can see right now, that's right after cutting it, and there are threads sticking out. And if you leave it like this, it's going to fray, get messy. And get our torch lit up. And just go back and forth until you see it starting to melt. And you don't see threads at the end anymore, but instead you see a little clump. Don't touch the end, it'll be hot, it'll get burned, but that's it. Now, instead of having threads, you got a little burnt end and it won't fray. And you don't have to be messing with a big, long strap every time you want to tie your boat up to the trailer. You can do the same for your bow strap as well. It'll give you a nice clean installation and much less to deal with at the dock and at the ramp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos in my channel. See you next time.